Christian, 2 years in a row. What an awesome achievement. To be completely honest, I totally forgot you're still an apprentice because your quality of work has been at such a high standard for so long. For those of you who don't know, Christian is also my older brother, and even though he's won this award 2 years in a row, I think I've still got him covered, just. Christian, you have a very bright future, mate. Keep up the good work and you'll go places.
Congratulations, Christian, on back-to-back Apprentice of the Year. Your work ethic, quality and dedication is always outstanding and again hasn't gone unnoticed. You are technically titled as an apprentice, but in all our eyes you are viewed as a hard-working and very reliable tradesman. On behalf of everyone here at B&D, we thank you for all your hard efforts throughout the year, and well done, mate. Keep it up.
What do we say about Christian growing? Back-to-back Apprentice of the Year, an outstanding achievement. I'd love to see him hunt down Plumber of the Year next year. He's very capable, just in consideration this year, but didn't fit the category. Christian, great effort. Enough said, really. You are an incredible talent, and you've got a very bright future ahead of you at B&D, and in life, all the best, mate. Cheers.